Charlie, give that little monkey 5. Give the little baby 5. Put your hand up on the glass, bud, and give him 5.
Look down. Look down.
He's hiding. I know. He was giving you 5 a second ago. Look. He's trying to give you a kiss. Go up and give him 5.
Go.
You want to go give him 5?
Go out.
How cute.
He's licking the glass.
Pet puppy hiding.
He's hiding? Go hide from him. You gonna play pee-pie?